brushes. This is a face primer, eye primer. There's palettes back here, face and eye palettes. Well, all of these actually are eye palettes. Here's 2 highlighters. I brought some extra lip colors. This is my new one if you need a new one. Here's a face, 2 face palettes. Oh my god. Okay, so what kind of look are you doing?
Trying to go with a futuristic look here. A lot of blues. I don't know what I'm doing. Shameless Starbucks plug. Cute.
I've already washed and moisturized my face.
Okay.
Oh, we didn't do an intro. You go, hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
You have to do the intro. What are we doing today?
Hey everyone. Today I'm doing her makeup by looking back on old pictures and trying to do the same. But I'm going to do my own thing because she doesn't control me, contrary to popular belief. So I'm going to start with Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer.
Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I wash my hands. What do I do?
Oh my god.
Simba. Oh yeah, your eyes are so primed now. Now, alright, first I'm going to start with Fairy Tale Blue from the Carity Unicorn Dreams palette. I know a lot about this one. I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah. See, I'm starting with the crease here. God, this is going to be amazing. Do a little more Fairy Tale Blue. When I think Fairy Tales Blue is what I think of. I think there's definitely a future with me for makeup. This is already looking pretty good. I can use the same brush. Now I'm going to use, for the bottom side here, it doesn't say the name of this one, but it's blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Like she needs any more money or promotion. Oh god!
What?
This is like purple. This is bad. No, this is good. This is good. This actually looks like you have been beaten.
Are you done with it?
Yes.
I mean, you don't want to do any more dark colors?
No, I like
blending?
this.
You don't want to do any blending? Does it need blending?
Yeah, it needs something.
There's like other brushes that you can use. Why not?
So now I can moisturize the rest of your face here with this primer. Now I'm going to use Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. He's a learned doctor. Never heard of him.
Why are you using one finger?
Priming it up, mate. Now we're going to go with the Poppin' Highlight. My favorite.
No, we're not.
This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Porcelain Skin. I guess it's just the foundation of the rest of your makeup. I don't know. How do I do it?
Just wipe it on.
Wipe it on your whole face?
Hmm?
And then I rub it all in. Like this? Yeah. Oh, the brush. The brush. Sorry, the brush. How could I forget the brush? Okay, so we got the foundation on.
I have 2 concealers you can choose from.
What does the concealer do? Conceals in your foundation?
Yes.
I'm going to go with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not real sure how to apply this. I use a beauty blender as well. Same thing all over the face? Or just the cheek? All
Under
over?
my eyes.
Under your eyes?
Yeah.
Beauty blender? I might have used too much. That's fine.
Here's some powder.
Here, this is a BH Studio Pro powder. Not sure what it's good for. I'm not sure what this is doing. This is what makes your face look so white, isn't it?
I think it's just my skin that makes my face look so white.
Now that's my favorite part, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I have some that you can choose from.
Some? This is too much.
What do you choose? Okay.
Just because it looks cool. Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer.
These are blush and highlight. I mean, blush and contours and bronzers. You can pick which one. This is bronzer, highlight, blush.
So what's brown bronzer, pure bronze and brighten? I'm using this one right here. This is my blush, Tarte Party. The highlight. What
so
brush?
You know this is the highlight brush.
That's the highlight brush.
Which one you want to use for the bronzer?
This is the brush I'm using for the bronzer. I'm going to try this at home. So the bronzer goes on down here. Yeah. All the way across. Mm-hmm. So sorry. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush for the blush. This was your idea, don't laugh. And then final, another Morphe brush for the highlight. My favorite part of this whole ordeal, because it's popping. Right on top of that one. So hard. Popping. Alright, now that's all done. Oh, God. Go back to Fairy Tale Blue from my Carity Unicorn palette right here. I'm a big fan of the light blue. You look like a raccoon. I'm going places. Any business inquiries, just hit me up. I'm willing to do your makeup at a steep price. Now I'm going to do the mascara.
Do you want to do mascara next?
I don't trust it.
Okay.
I'll let you do it because I do not want to stab you in the eyeball. That's fine right there.
That's enough?
Yeah, it doesn't have to
Do
be
you
too
want
crazy.
some on the bottom?
Yeah. You got to really show off that blue.
Isn't that good?
That wing doesn't look too bad. The other one over there was it was a poor effort. I'm sorry. You have blue lipstick?
I don't.
Damn it. That's my last step, right?
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Yes. Anyways, should have done that. This is for the eyebrows to make them look darker because people trim them so far down, then they want to make them darker. It makes no sense to me. But we're going to go with the middle shade here. Am I doing this right? You're looking at me funny. Oh, yeah. It's ravishing. Okay. Now, the masterpieces all come together. All we have left are the lips. And she just got this today. No, this isn't the one. This is the one you just got today. It's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, Kat Von D. It's the wolf color. It's like a really dark blue / black / gray / black / blue.
It's a new color she just came out with.
New color she just came out with. Now this is going to be my best part yet. Because I wasn't very good at coloring inside the lines when I was a kid. So this is going to be even worse. This is bad.
Do you want any eyeliner or anything?
No, I do not trust that. So if I go back over this, the brush is going to blend this brown in more. Oh, actually, first I'm going to go back and I like this one because it looks like a... hold on. What are these called again?
Tail.
I like this one because it looks like a mermaid's tail. I'm going to blend this back in a little more because it looks pretty bad. Didn't help much. Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. That's beautiful. You couldn't have done it better if I did it myself. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this?
I would give you a 9.
On a serious scale? A 0.5 at least?
I think maybe a 1.
1? I'm down with that.
Okay, I'll give you a 2 for creativity. But like a 0 for skill. How do you think you did?
Terrible.
Really?
If I had to rate myself, I knew this was bad. I thought that the eyes looked okay at first until I went around underneath and you literally looked like got punched you in the eye or something. That wing's pretty, if it wasn't so dark, I thought it was pretty good. The one over there just looks like a straight line. It's not really to a point. If I had to rate myself, probably a 0.5 on a scale of 100.
You also brought it down real far. Real far.
Alright, well, I'm Jake, and if you have any business inquiries, just hit me up. I'm pretty good, as you can tell.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, do all the things and watch my other videos and go watch his gaming thing on Twitch. Thanks, bye.
Bye!